When a woman's body comes close to yours for a brief moment and it feels charged, that is not accidental. That moment carries meaning. Most men miss it because they wait for direct signals. But attraction does not start with words, it starts with reactions. Today, I am breaking down the quiet signs women show when interest is already there. These are signals most guys overlook. I will share 5 clear indicators that reveal her feelings without her saying anything. The final one is powerful because men who recognize it act naturally, without hesitation. Once you understand this, self-doubt starts to disappear. Let me ask you something. How many times have you felt tension between you and her before anything happened? No touch, no kiss, just energy. Her hands shift slightly. She looks away, then checks back that small movement of her hair. You tell yourself you are imagining it. You are not. Women experience emotion first. Expression comes later. And when the body reacts, it speaks louder than any message ever could. This comes from how the brain is wired. Emotion moves faster than logic. The body responds before the mind explains. It happens instantly and quietly. Men who fail to notice this miss real opportunities. Men who notice it build connection because they stay calm, grounded, and present. That presence is what creates attraction. Stay with me. These details matter. First sign, she adjusts her outfit. Sleeves, collar, waist. Small fixes. Not because something is wrong, because she suddenly cares how she appears to you. That nervous energy shows interest. Her body is saying, look at me, without asking for attention. You are talking, and she keeps making small adjustments, even though she already looks fine. That is flirting, subtle but real. Second sign, she touches her neck or collarbone. That area is sensitive and exposed. When her fingers move there or she plays with a necklace, it shows comfort mixed with attraction. Trust is present. Safety is present. Many men ignore this signal. They should not. This is where confidence quietly grows. Third sign. Watch her lips, light biting. Slow lip balm. Fingers resting near her mouth. These movements are not random. Lips are tied to desire. Her mind is preparing for closeness before she realizes it. When you notice this, slow down. Keep eye contact. Stay relaxed. Your calm does the work. Fourth sign, her legs do not stay still. Crossing, uncrossing, light movement, knee tapping. A woman who feels nothing stays still. A woman who feels attraction releases energy through movement. If she does this while staying engaged with you, that interest is real. Finally, fifth sign, her fingers keep moving. Rings, bracelets, nails, small repetitive motions. This is her body trying to settle excitement. She is open and feeling a lot. Men who notice this stay steady. They do not try to impress. They let presence speak. Now think about this. How many of these signs have you missed before? How many moments passed because you did not see what was happening? Awareness changes everything. Women are drawn to men who observe without forcing anything. Now let us talk about space. Distance matters. If she turns her body toward you, pulls her shoulder or hip closer, or shifts her seat toward you, that is intention. She is stepping into your personal space. That is a move from polite interest to personal interest. Most people protect that space. When she opens it, it matters. Watch for mirroring. You move, and she follows shortly after. You touch your face and she does the same. This is not imitation, it is alignment, her brain syncing with yours. Try a small change, shift posture and wait. If she mirrors you, her guard is down. Listen to her voice, it may soften. Slow down, drop slightly. These changes invite closeness. They create a physical bridge without words. Pay attention to laughter, real laughter. Even when the joke is not great. That sound signals comfort and enjoyment. Polite laughter sounds different. Eye contact tells a deeper story. Not just how long she looks, but how eyes to lips and back. That brief glance reveals desire. Pupils widening is biology. She cannot control it. A woman who is not interested looks away quickly. A woman who is interested keeps returning to your gaze. Notice how she handles objects. cups, phones, glasses. If her hands keep them moving, she is managing excited energy. Bored hands go still. Interested hands stay active. Feet reveal truth. If they point toward you, her intention is clear. Even if her upper body stays neutral, the lower body does not lie. Memory is another clue. If she remembers small details you shared earlier, you matter to her. She made space for you mentally. That separates casual conversation from real connection. Sometimes she laughs and looks down or covers her mouth. That is not rejection. That is impact. Attraction can create shyness when feelings spike. And finally, touch. If light contact happens and she does not pull away, that is your answer. Attraction is not loud. It is layered. It is physical. It is honest. It is never just what she says. It is what her body cannot hide. Watch closely. It speaks every time.